Alright, let's do this then. Roller coaster. Gotta go for 120 seconds without stopping. You know, I don't think I've ever actually done a hazard lunge. Are bugs even gonna show up in this one? Am I gonna care? Because let's see what happens when I get a swarm. I'm curious. Yeah, no cool. There's so much gold in here. I mean, this was like the perfect mission for it because look at this. I'm gonna have a fucking field day bringing this down here. Like, this is gonna go, like, this is a perfect area for a roller coaster. Look at this shit. Boom. Awesome. Actually, yeah, we might be. Cryo cannon, popping the ice cubes, keeping it cool in the desert. Try. I've really been using it. Oh god, I did not mean to throw that, but fine. Woo! That was so lucky. This is a treacherous ass cake. Moscow. Going back in on the ride. Boom. 1914. So that was less than half the time that we need. Whoa. Okay. Did you think I was gonna go to either of those? No, no. I'm a professional. For sure. Done this a million times. We're gonna play the line ride. This is the line roller coaster. This is what it's like to be at, like, Disney World. So... What knocked us off? What knocked us off? Am I too close to this?
I'm off!
Fuck! Balls. Okay. I have to get rid of all of this. That's disappointing.
One down, more to go.
Two, one. That should be 2 minutes. Please, God, don't tell me this thing has to be built. And now to complete the mission. Bosco. Get to work.
Go! Help me build!
All lights read green. Pipelines and pump jacks are all in place, and the liquid morkite is waiting. Return to the refinery and start up the pump sequence.
Wow, I got 2 achievements for this one. I didn't know I'd never been down for more than an hour. Alright. So, I'm just going to start this pump jack and because the two of them are great. They're fine. So let's go on our roller
The liquid
coaster
morkite
ride.
is being extracted.
Get there, yeah? What's that?
Experience one.
Shows me where they are, right? Yeah. Where is it? They dropped the drop pod right on my roller coaster. Look at this. Look at this. They broke it! DRG. What the fuck?
Much better.
Retrieving escape.
Rocket Stone, miners! Rocket Stone. We did it! Woohoo! Oh my god, only 6,000 XP. That's so terrible. Worth it. Worth it. That's good. That's fun.